sniffing
Well, I
cocaine
think we're all standing
off
for
of a
me.
dog.
Everything's a standing for me.
Right, my
That
dog,
tree
Chili,
outside
Chili
is
dog.
standing for me. It just hasn't
So-
told the jokes yet.
On the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine off of a dog.
We're all pulsating. We're
Right, my dog,
gyrating.
Chili, Chili
we're
dog.
The
incubating.
dog's name is Chili.
We're
Chili.
inside something.
He's a dog.
Inside
Sniff
out.
Well, I call him Chili dog.
Inside,
Yeah,
inside. I dropped some cocaine on his back, and I was forced to do the entire rail with my buddy JoJo Stormcloud.
Strap on. This has to be one of the most incoherent. Please accept my advance apology.
Please don't evaluate this before it's over with. This isn't. We're not like. This is not a telethon.